Hi guys, my name is Skyan and today we're going to be making a Minecraft video. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you around the new hub that's going to be out soon. But yeah, I've already built the PvP arena. That's my head. My head looks better. There's a disco. Human Sky's head. Pac-Man, I don't know why. Zo's head and Z-Man 101's. I built my head, but this is the only one I've built so far. The only game I've built so far. So this is the PvP arena. It's gonna look epic, but it's not that big yet. Soon we'll have monster trucks. You'll have lots of stuff. And guess what? You'll be really happy soon, because guess what? This is gonna be the new one, and you will be happy of this. If I go over to Pac-Man now, actually, this thing, whatever I built there, you will soon see a disco. Yeah, I've used rainbow-colored sheep, so that I can rock and go like da na 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 da na 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 na, and it will be awesome. Rainbow colored sheep make the floor light up, and guess what? They change color. And you know what else? Now if you go inside the house, it looks real. I'm in it! And if I go inside my mouth, it will have a tongue. You'll see about right now. Okay. I'm in my tongue. I'm being swallowed. Not really. And this will be the greatest hub. This will be the greatest hub. Okay guys, leave a like if you enjoy, and to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.